Hello, Chef here working with some eggs today. These are hard-boiled eggs. They're looking good. I'm going to peel them up and show you a recipe. Okay, so I'm continuing with some eggs. I've got these beautiful hard-boiled eggs here, and they are really nice. I've cooled them off, and now I'm going to stuff them with a variety of things. And follow along and check out another way to serve eggs. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the yolks. Cut these perfectly down the center like this. And they do cut better if you have a very, very sharp knife. All right. I'll be back. Okay, and that's what you're looking for. To this, you want to add a very small amount of mayonnaise, just enough to hold it together like this, and mix it up. Okay, now I've added the salt, the pepper, the herbs, and then one of the things I like to use for something like this to make it look nice is a small pastry bag with a star tip on the bottom. So I'm going to put my eggs in there. Get them all the way in. All right. There you go. Looking good. That's a simple deviled egg right there. Anybody can do that. You want to garnish your deviled eggs when you make something like this. The standard garnish is going to be paprika. This is smoked chili powder, like paprika there, yeah. Okay, so I've got 3 ingredients that are going to go in these eggs. I've got a nice succulent summertime tomato here. I've got some sauteed spinach. It's got garlic and olive oil and other amazing flavors in there. And grilled marinated chicken breast. Alright then, here we go. I'm using a spoon and I'm going to stuff these eggs and make them look nice. Alright, I'm adding them to my plate right here. Last egg, and I'm going to put some of the regular yolk stuffing in there. I'm going to put that one right here. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of garnish on a couple of these like this, so it's kind of double stuffed. Yeah, they're looking pretty good, and you can make these easily for your family, your friends, or parties, catered events. It's looking good. So please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Most of all, keep cooking. This knife, love it. Love the shape, love the design. Many have copied this, but this is the best right here. So if you're looking for some new knives, I highly suggest you check this out. And once again, the number is CDG663738. You can find them on the website right there. And wow, what a great set of knives. You're gonna love them. 1, 2, 3. And a great deal. It's actually discounted as a starter set. You're gonna get the good stuff the first time. Yeah.